Emakhosini ngiyabingelela umakhosi Mtshali okhulumayo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngokuthi kungani kuthiwa fasta. Ngiyazi omunye umuntu uzothi so that you can be uzoba lula in the spirit. Namhlanje ngizokujulela ukuthi kungani ngempela kumele ufaste uma uzokhuleka, ngempela kumele ufaste uma uzoyenza into zedlozi ezijulile ezihamba nomkhuleko. Now, ngizobuyela kuBhayibheli, ngizokhuluma ngeBhayibheli ukuthi ngikukhothele amavesi afakazela ukuthi kungani kumele ufaste. UMatthew 4 verse 1 to 11 uthi, at the time Jesus was led by the Spirit into the desert to be tempted by the devil. He fasted for 40 days and 40 nights and afterwards was hungry. The tempter approached and said to him, if you're the Son of God, command that these stones become loaves of bread. USathane wavela kuyena esefastile for 40 days ekhuleka entabeni wavela the first person to appear kuSathane ezomthemta ethi akashintshe itshe alenze isinkwa. Nakhumbula uJesu ukuthi isinkwa sokuphila. Kuze kuthiwa esontweni kuze kunengoma ethi idla nasi ngephasika kuthiwa idla nasi isinkwa somzimba wami. So Satan tempted him using the Bible, Emmanuel. iBhayibheli liyimanual siphila ngalo as umuntu kumele uphile ngalo. So umthemthe ngalo naye waphendula ngeBhayibheli. Esho ethi Matthew 4 verse 4 state that Jesus waphendula wathi, it is written, man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. So that's one of the reasons you have to fast, because even Jesus esefastile ekhulekile wathemta ukuthi ashintshe itshe alenze isinkwa ukuze adle. Yena he was stuck emazwini kaNkulunkulu ukuthi no, angeke uze usuthe ngesinkwa lesi esidliwayo, phela ungasutha nangamazwi akaNkulunkulu. So that's one of the reasons kumele ufaste uma ufisa ukuxhumana nengilosi engcwele, ufisa ukuxhumana noNkulunkulu wakho, ngoba naye uyasho ezweni lakho ukuthi angeke kuphela usuthiswe ukudla okudlayo lana nalamanzi esiwaphuzayo, kodwa amazwi akhe. Then second, moya kuJohn 13:26-38 uJesu lenkathi edla nama-disciples akhe etafuleni wathi, I will dip this bread into the dish. The man I give it to is the man who will turn against me. And guess what happened? So Jesus took a piece of bread and dipped it and gave it to Judas Iscariot, the son of Simon. As soon as Judas took the bread, Satan entered him. It's a Bible verse, John 13:26-38. The moment adla lesi sinkwa, uSathane wangena, and he was able to betray who? Jesus, as much as his disciple. So that's another reason eyenza ukuthi kumele ufaste uma uzoyenza izinto zikaJesu, because angeke wazi ukuthi uma uzoyenza izinto zikaNkulunkulu ungafastile, what is it extra that you will do as you betray uJesu while you thinking you're doing the favor for him, while you thinking you're doing the favor for you coming close to him, and then bese uyona at that moment. Okanye ungabi namandla ukuthi ulisane nama-thoughts nezinto ezifika kuwena usathi uyakhuleka kuyena, because like really when you're praying there's a fight that you first have to fight ukuthi nothing shall block you from communicating with God, no matter what sin that's come in your head as you're praying that you have done before, it shall not disturb you. And know because God have forgiven it and you can continue to pray. But if our fastile you ate before Zokulum, you might find out that whatever you ate allowed the devil to enter you. Now you wanna pray, you can't pray. Now you wanna pray, you're thinking of let me bath first. Let me eat first. Let me do something first. Why? You have eaten. Satan entered you. Usengaphakathi kuwena usengakulawula noma ngabe nini, usengahlala ungasayiqedi leyo 7 days obuthi uyakhuleka, mhlawumbe usukhuleka u2 days, ulingeke nje ngelesithathu udle nje into noma ngabe inqane noma ngabe sweet, ulinge kunomphela ungasayiqedi leyo 7 days. So kungakho kubalekile ukuthi kumele faste. I have another one. Excuse me. KuGenesis, sibuye kuGenesis 25 verse 29 to 34. uJacob ubhuti ka-Esau. Jacob cooks a lentil stew and Esau, returning from hunting, is famished and asks for some. Jacob in turn demand Esau's birthright in exchange for the stew. Uzwile? Udemande i-inheritance yakhe for ukudla. And what did he do? Esau, valuing immediate gratification over his birthright, agrees to the exchange. After Jacob insists on the oath, Esau eats and leaves. Esau gave up his inheritance, all of it, just for food. Ubone i-danger ukudla okuyikho. That's why nabantu besifazane mase bathengela ukudla ama-KFC laphayana kuma-quantum, mhlawumbe uqomene nomuntu we-quantum, mase kadla akhiphe zonke izindaba. Akhiphe nje zonke izindaba ukuthi yazi ubani wenzeni, or athengele ukudla betray umngane wakhe, aqombe boyfriend womngane wakhe. Ukudla, it's another thing that's esingabantu esibulalayo, especially mawufuna ukuthi ukhuleke, mawufuna ukuthi usondele kakhulu kuNkulunkulu. These are the things ezifakazela ukuthi why food is not supposed to be part of your journey when you want to get close to God. Because lo kudla kumenza ukuthi anikele ngefa lakhe lonke. So what are you gonna gain after you 18 years uzosutha but okwesikhashana? After that, what happens? Awusathandazanga, awusaqedelanga i-prayer yakho, mhlawumbe kumele uyithandaza for 7 days. So uzoqala phansi futhi uqale ku-second day, uqale phansi from first day, mhlawumbe bese ku-third day usuzoqeda. Because uSathane uzokuthesta ngendlela eyiningi. Naku wathesta uJesu ngezwi lenkosi. As smart as he is, he answered ngezwi lakaNkulunkulu naye, and he was saved. So this is another third reason why food kumele ukufaste mawufuna ngempela ukuxhumana nengilosi engcwele, mawufuna ngempela ukusondela kuNkulunkulu. Mawumthungatha, as much as he says seek for him, mawumthungatha angeke uzumthungathe nokudla, it won't get you anywhere. So I have another one. The last one ezofakazela ukuthi kungani kumele faste is the one that everyone knows. Genesis 2 verse 17 wathi, but you must not eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, for when you eat from it you will certainly die. God talked to Adam and Eve. What did Eve do? He listened to the serpent and ate, and then also gave it to whom? To Adam. And then therefore Adam was cursed ukuthi uyosebenza umsebenzi azajuluke, isandla sakhe sithinte esiphogo azajuluka so iswethi so. Ingakho abantu besilisa namhlanje basebenza ngezandla zabo zizeziguga zilimala umakhenikhi nani kumele basebenze kuze baswethe. Eve was cursed ukuthi uyothi mebeletha kuvele bese kube neinhlungu. Ingakho namhlanje abantu besifazane babeletha ngeinhlungu uma bezobeletha, all because of food. All because of food. So I've given you enough. I think I've given you enough explanations and things that will make you understand why bathi faster kangaka, sizothi faster kangaka, especially uma sizofika esikolweni. Mangabe mhlambe asithi uzoqala intwaso okanye sekufika isikhathi sokuthi uzothwasa, sizothi fast, okanye mase uyoparola sizothi faster. Because ukufasta kubalekile, especially to get yourself to remain clean. Yes, uzokwazi ukuthi ube lula, as much as abantu bayikha phezulu bathi uzobalula in the spirit ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi wenze izinto. Yes, ukuze ube lula. Why kufanele ube lula? Why ukudla kuzokwenza ukuthi usinde na? These are all the things esifakazela ukuthi ukudla is not your friend. Mawufuna ukwenza izinto zesintu okanye ufuna ukusondelana nengilosi uNkulunkulu wakho, ufuna ukusondela kuyena umthungatha. Ngiyabonga kakhulu emakhosini.